Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As we can see, this is PJ, and also we have our chart on our dashboard, and we can see we have our step index 1 minute on chart, and we can see currently now we have our trend moving on massive uptrend, guys. So we can see this is perfect indicator, and we can see this is our not reprint indicator. We have our not reprint indicator on the chart, which is this particular arrow, the red and the green arrow on the chart, and we have our trend arrow indicator on the chart, which is also not reprint indicator. So you can see now that this our arrow showed to us that we have our trend reverse at this level, and that is where we are taking our downtrend. So we are going to start our downtrend from this particular moment, and it's going to go on a massive one, because anytime we have our trend appear on the chart, all what we can take is a successful our downtrend not reprint arrow, because this particular arrow too does not reprint. So let me show you some of the trend that you can see. You can see at this particular area, we can see that we have our trend at this particular area that show that we have a uptrend signal here. This is our trend. So when we have our trend like this, you can enter from this particular level, and you can decide to enter when you have your what your green not reprint indicator, because this also does not reprint. It is permanently on the chart. So you can see how massive it is on the chart. You can see you can see it go on a massive uptrend up to this particular set, or this up to this particular level. So this is so massively, and you can see what happened on this chart. So this is where we have it, and this is where we have it. You can see it on the chart, and you can see how massive it is on the uptrend. So I'm going to show you another one again. This is the last one that we have at this particular zone. This is the last one that we have here, and let me go back so that I will show you guys another one at the upper side here. So you can see that the trend is so well accurate at this level. You can see this is another one. You can see the downtrend. You can see there's no any trade that break this particular level. Once it appears, it is not reprint arrow, it is not reprint indicator, and this also is also a not reprint indicator. You can see how massive it is on a massive downtrend, until we have our indicator here, until we have the uptrend, the second uptrend at this particular level. You can see, so this particular indicator is very massive, and you can see that I'm already in profit. You can see that I open a sell entry, and you can see what each pair is currently. So this is very massive, and this is working indicator, and this is not reprint indicator. So immediately you see this particular arrow, you can enter your market for long massive trend, or you decided to be taking your downtrend arrow on this particular move, and that is very well accurate, guys. So for you to get this indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to join our Telegram group, and you are going to get access to our me, and we can discuss. But this indicator is not for free, guys. It is not for free, guys, but this is a working massive indicator. Thanks, guys. See you guys in our next video, guys.